Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to make a killer LinkedIn profile. Start by opening the LinkedIn app or website and ensure you are logged into your account. Navigate to your profile page by clicking on your profile picture or your name. Click on the option to change your cover page. Choose a captivating cover photo that will grab people's attention. You can upload a cover photo from your device. After uploading the cover photo, make sure it is adjusted properly to fit the dimensions of the cover space. You may need to crop or resize it accordingly. Once you are satisfied with the cover photo, click on Apply to save the changes. Next, update your profile picture to something that will attract attention. Choose a professional yet eye-catching photo from your device. After selecting the profile picture, save it to your profile. Refresh the page to see the updated changes in your profile. Fill in your headline, current position, industry, education, location, and contact information. Ensure these details are accurate and appealing to viewers. Write a compelling and engaging summary about yourself in the About section. Highlight your unique skills, experiences, and achievements to make your profile stand out. Enter your skills in the designated section. Choose skills that are relevant to your industry and strengths. Showcase your best work or projects by adding them to the featured section. This could include articles, presentations, or links to your portfolio. To make your profile truly killer, consider adding additional sections such as volunteer experience, certifications, languages spoken, or honors and awards. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.